messy day today. It's raining on cats and dogs. But I've got my new gear on. Thank you very much. Jason and Amy, especially Amy who did all the shopping. Thank you very much indeed. And I thought I wouldn't wear it because it would be too hot, but it's quite cool this morning, so I'm very, very, very pleased to have it on. Thanks again. I found this Rain-X on board and read the instructions, and Jason Smith said that it was very good, so I tried it on the windscreen, and yeah, it certainly seems to have smaller globules of rain and better visibility than the side screen here, which I haven't done. So yeah, it seems to work. And the side screens may look rubbish, but by golly, they work. I had the hatch here open last night when I was sleeping. Started to rain about 2, and it's now gone 8, and it's still tipping down. But I'm snug as a bug in my cockpit now. So they're doing a good job. Cast off from River's Edge Marina at noon on the 29th of April 2015, on the understanding that if the shakedown was unsuccessful I would be back. Took on $175 worth of diesel at the friendly and patient Ripley Light Marina, then under the curving Scarborough Bridge and down the Ashley River again. Downtown Charleston and the city marina to port under heavy skies, with happy memories of our stay in that lovely city. It was raining here the last time I sailed through in 2013. Then hang a right into Wappo Creek and the Intercoastal Waterway. This time I didn't have to wait for the Wappo Creek bascule bridge to open, and motored under, a good feeling. The current swept us into Elliott Cut, home of the strongest currents on the ICW, at 7 knots or more. Definitely a place to time your transit correctly, and a steady hand on the helm as swirling eddies take hold of the boat. Through here, we've got it with us. We're doing 7.7 knots at the moment. I expect the speed to go up once we get actually in the cut. I have to stop filming because I'm going to need to control. It's quite swirly. A huge thunderstorm caught us in the open water of the Stono River, and I was conscious of our VHF aerial being the highest point around. Bizarrely, I put a pair of rubber-soled shoes on my bare feet to try to stop a zillion volts passing through me on its way to blowing a hole in the bottom of the boat. And still my shower curtains took the gusts and kept me dry. Then lightning struck the water a little way ahead, as it did for another person here, and scared the living daylights out of me. When I was a little lad, and so my mother told me, way hole away, we'll hole away, Joe, that if I did not kiss a gal, my lips would grow all mouldy. Way hole away, we'll hole away, Joe. Hole away, we'll hole for better weather. Way hole away, we'll hole away, Joe. King Louis was the king of France before the revolution. Way hole away, we'll hole away, Joe. King Louis got his head cut off, which spoiled his constitution. Way hole away, we'll hole away, Joe. Hole away, we'll hole for better weather. Way hole away, we'll hole away, Joe. Oh, the cook is in the galley, making duff so handy. Way hole away, we'll hole
First
away,
night
Joe. And the captain's
we
in
spent
his
here,
cabin, drinking wine and
Edisto
brandy.
River.
Way hole away, we'll hole away, Joe.
Went to bed
with
heavy cloud and woke up to a beautiful morning. Had a very peaceful night.
Once I had a Yankee girl and
We
she
tucked
was
in
such a daisy.
behind some trees over there.
Once I had a Scotch girl and she was fat and lazy.
Quite close in, and 20 feet of water there, and those reeds are in almost 7 feet of water. Well, the edges anyway. Quite steep too. Beautiful morning. Now I just hope the engine will start.